Hello everyone, welcome to JAR. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. 8424 watermelons are the newest trends today. It is widely seen in different supermarkets. With its continuous presence, we decide to buy one and see how it tastes. This time we're trying to make a watermelon treasure box. It's really delicious, sweet, and without any seed, especially in this hot summer. Let's try it at home and it really tastes great. For ingredients, please check at the end of our video. First, soak the watermelon in water and ice. And the ingredients for this dessert are easier to handle this time. Most of them do not have to be cooked, except for the taro balls. Use 200 ml of water to dissolve the rock sugar and brown sugar. Then let it cool in a container. Now use another pot to boil some water and ginger. After the water has boiled, add the taro balls. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes depending on how chewy you want the taro balls to be. After soaking or freezing the watermelon, wash the skin and cut it in half. Now, use a relative round spoon to scoop spears of watermelon. If you don't have it, use a knife to slice it into cubes is also fine. Now, place the boiled taro balls into the cooled syrup and soak them for around 2 minutes. Then slice the grass jelly into your design size. Prepare a bowl. Then put the watermelon at the bottom, aloe vera, red beans, grass jelly, taro balls, and finally adding additional watermelon on top. Well, let me share with you why this is called 8424. It is a kind of high yield and early maturing watermelon for about 28 to 45 days. According to the Shenzhen Academy of Agricultural Science, they have developed 30 different types of watermelon in 1984, and this is the 24th sample was found to be the sweetest watermelon and the best amount of. Known for its nice red color, thin rind, crisp skin, juicy flesh, and high sugar content of up to 11 to 12 degrees. Wow, it's so yummy! It's that simple. A bowl of cold and delicious dessert is complete. This is a must-try this summer. It really tastes delicious and easy. Refreshing and cooling in the hot days. Sitting on a couch enjoying this 8424 watermelon treasure box. If you also like this dessert, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you will receive our next video at once. Thank you once again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.